Special shape windows Washington, D.C. projects require precise planning, accurate measurements, and skilled installation for homes across Capitol Hill, Georgetown, Northwest Washington, D.C., and the broader DMV area. Residential special shape window replacement. Washington, D.C. services handle unique openings with custom solutions for arched window replacement, circle window replacement for homes Washington, D.C., oval window replacement specialists Washington, D.C., round window replacement Washington, D.C. Metro, triangle window replacement residential Washington, D.C., hexagon window replacement Washington, D.C. homes, octagon window replacement Washington, D.C. area, clear story window replacement Washington, D.C., radius window replacement Washington, D.C., and gable window replacement Washington, D.C. suburbs. Homeowners looking for special shape window installers Washington, D.C. and residential window contractors in Washington, D.C. benefit from tailored fabrication, exact fit, and lasting curb appeal. Energy-efficient special shape windows Washington, D.C. help reduce heat loss, improve indoor comfort, and support lower utility costs in living room window replacement, bedroom window replacement, and picture window replacement projects. Whether the need is vinyl special shape window replacement Washington, D.C., wood special shape window replacement Washington, D.C., or energy-efficient window replacement, the right product selection supports performance in historic home window replacement and modern residential glazing services. Custom glazing. Washington, D.C. residential work is especially valuable for irregular openings, where special shape window replacement and custom window replacement deliver sealed, attractive, and durable results for Washington, D.C. homes. Custom arched window replacement Washington, D.C. remains one of the most requested services for homeowners seeking architectural detail and natural light. From custom window replacement to arched window replacement, these upgrades enhance facades in historic district window replacement Washington, D.C. projects and in newer homes needing refined design. Residential glazing services, full-frame window replacement, and insert window replacement can be matched to the structure, while special shape windows Washington, D.C. installations preserve style and improve function. Special shape window replacement DMV area specialists also help with radius window replacement, circle window replacement, and oval window replacement when a distinctive look is required. Bay Window Replacement Service Washington, D.C. and Bow Window Replacement Contractors Washington, D.C. provide expanded views, extra daylight, and dramatic exterior character. These installations often pair well with picture window replacement Washington, D.C. residential work, especially in living room window replacement where wide sightlines matter most. Homeowners near Capitol Hill, Washington, D.C. and window replacement near Georgetown, Washington, D.C. often choose bay window replacement or bow window replacement for a blend of elegance and practicality. Experienced residential window contractors in Washington, D.C. can recommend full-frame window replacement or insert window replacement depending on the condition of the existing framing and trim. Historic home window replacement demands careful attention to proportions, materials, and neighborhood guidelines throughout Washington, D.C. In historic district window replacement Washington, D.C. work, wood window replacement often complements original architecture, while vinyl window replacement can be selected for low maintenance and improved efficiency when appropriate. Special shape window replacement, custom arched window replacement Washington, D.C., and clear story window replacement Washington, D.C. can all be adapted for older properties without sacrificing character. Custom glazing Washington, D.C. residential teams understand how to balance preservation, energy performance, and code-compliant installation in sensitive areas. Flooded window replacement is essential when water intrusion damages frames, sashes, or glass after storms and plumbing leaks. In these cases, residential glazing services assess the severity of the problem and determine whether full-frame window replacement or insert window replacement is the best approach. Special shape window installers. Washington, D.C. can restore damaged arched window replacement, round window replacement, and triangle window replacement residential Washington, D.C. openings with accurate fabrication and secure sealing. For homeowners seeking window replacement near Northwest Washington, D.C., fast response and dependable craftsmanship are key to preventing further structural issues. Vinyl window replacement and wood window replacement each serve different priorities in special shape window replacement Washington, D.C. projects. Vinyl special shape window replacement. Washington, D.C. is a strong choice for efficiency, affordability, and low upkeep, while wood special shape window replacement Washington, D.C. offers a classic appearance suited to historic home window replacement and custom window replacement. Whether the project involves octagon window replacement Washington, D.C. area, hexagon window replacement Washington, D.C. homes, or circle window replacement for homes Washington, D.C., the material selection should match the architecture, budget, and long-term maintenance goals of the property owner. Picture window replacement Washington, D.C. residential upgrades are ideal for maximizing views and daylight in family rooms, dining rooms, and open concept spaces. These installations often pair with special shape windows Washington, D.C. designs such as gable window replacement Washington, D.C. suburbs, clear story window replacement Washington, D.C., and radius window replacement Washington, D.C. to create a balanced exterior profile. Residential special shape window replacement Washington, D.C. specialists can coordinate custom window replacement with energy-efficient window replacement features, helping homes throughout the Washington, D.C. metro area achieve greater comfort and visual appeal. Special shape window replacement in the DMV area requires experienced craftsmanship, quality materials, and local knowledge of Washington, D.C. housing styles. From residential special shape window replacement Washington, D.C. to custom arched window replacement Washington, D.C., the right contractor can handle bay window replacement service Washington, D.C., bow window replacement contractors Washington, D.C., and specialty projects like triangle window replacement residential Washington, D.C., octagon window replacement Washington, D.C. area, and round window replacement Washington, D.C. metro. Homeowners searching for window replacement near Capitol Hill, Washington, D.C., window replacement near Georgetown, Washington, D.C., or window replacement near Northwest Washington, D.C. can rely on special shape window installers Washington, D.C. for dependable results. Residential glazing services support every stage of special shape window replacement Washington, D.C., from measurement and fabrication to installation and final sealing. Whether the need is energy-efficient special shape windows Washington, D.C., vinyl special shape window replacement Washington, D.C., wood special shape window replacement Washington, D.C., or historic district window replacement Washington, D.C., the focus remains on precision and performance. For living room window replacement, bedroom window replacement, or flooded window replacement, residential window contractors in Washington, D.C. deliver custom glazing Washington, D.C. residential solutions that fit the home, the neighborhood, and the design vision. Special shape windows Washington, D.C. are a strong choice for homeowners who want style, performance, and a precise fit for unique openings. Special shape window replacement, custom window replacement, and residential glazing services help improve curb appeal, indoor comfort, and long-term value across Washington, D.C., the DMV area, and surrounding neighborhoods. From custom arched window replacement Washington, D.C. to circle window replacement for homes Washington, D.C., the right solution can match original architecture while supporting energy-efficient window replacement and better insulation. Bay window replacement service Washington, D.C. and bow window replacement contractors. Washington, D.C. are ideal for living room window replacement, bedroom window replacement, and picture window replacement Washington, D.C. residential projects. Homeowners near Georgetown, Washington, D.C., Northwest Washington, D.C., and Capitol Hill, Washington, D.C. often choose bay window replacement, bow window replacement, and picture window replacement to brighten interior spaces and frame exterior views. Full-frame window replacement and insert window replacement can both be used depending on the condition of the existing frame, making it easier to manage a custom fit for specialty openings. Historic home window replacement in Washington, D.C. requires careful attention to detail, especially in historic district window replacement Washington, D.C. projects. Wood special shape window replacement. Washington, D.C. and vinyl special shape window replacement Washington, D.C. both support traditional and modern appearances, while historic home window replacement can preserve the look of older properties. Custom glazing. Washington, D.C. Residential Services, arched window replacement, radius window replacement. Washington, D.C. and gable window replacement. Washington, D.C. suburbs help maintain character while improving efficiency and durability in older homes throughout the Washington, D.C. metro. For homeowners looking for strong design variety, hexagon window replacement. Washington, D.C. homes, octagon window replacement. Washington, D.C. area, triangle window replacement. Residential. Washington, D.C. oval window replacement specialists. Washington, D.C. round window replacement. Washington, D.C. metro and clear-story window replacement. Washington, D.C. offer distinctive architectural appeal. Custom arched window replacement. Washington, D.C. circle window replacement and oval window replacement can be tailored for bathrooms, stairways, entryways, and upper walls. Special shape window installers. Washington, D.C. and residential window contractors in Washington, D.C. can handle unusual dimensions with accurate measurements and dependable installation. Energy-efficient special shape windows. Washington, D.C. are especially valuable for flooded window replacement, storm damage, and aging window upgrades. Special shape window replacement. DMV area services can improve protection, reduce drafts, and support lower energy bills with energy-efficient window replacement options built for Washington, D.C. homes. Whether the project calls for wood window replacement, vinyl window replacement, custom arched window replacement, or asterisk special shape windows. Washington, D.C. asterisk near Northwest Washington, D.C. the right team can deliver custom-fit results that match the home's style and performance needs.